Good morning, fam. If your shoulders are creeping up, your neck feels stiff, or your posture is already folding in, this is your reset. In just 5 minutes, we'll reverse the tension you've been sleeping in and rebuild space through your chest, shoulders, and spine. Let's hit the mat and start the day taller, lighter, and more open. Start in a kneeling position, interlace your fingers behind your back, then gently pull your arms down and back as you lift your chest. Why this move? Because all night long, your body curls inward. This is how we undo that curl and reclaim the space you need to breathe, move, and lead. I promise this stretch alone can make you look more confident and feel instantly more awake. Beginners, keep a gentle grip and slight tilt forward. Advanced stretches, try lifting your arms off the back and hinging at the hips. Did you know tight chest muscles can actually pull your head forward and compress your spine? Yeah. Let's hold it for 5 more seconds. Pull the chest through and lift your gaze. Do you feel that release across the front of your shoulders? That just unlocked your chest. Now let's reset your neck. Sit or stand tall. Gently tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder. Then switch halfway through. This one is simple, but don't underestimate how much pressure your neck carries. This will soften everything from jaw tightness to upper traps. I promise, if your neck is less tense, your whole nervous system calms down faster. Beginners, support your head with one hand. Advanced stretches, extend the opposite arm out for a deeper pull. Neck tension is often mistaken for mental stress, but this shows how it can be physical too. Tilt and breathe. 5 more seconds. Are you holding your breath? Let it go. That just released your neck. Now let's open the hips and decompress. Come down onto your hands and knees. Slide your knees wide, feet turned out, and shift your hips back slightly. Now gently rock side to side. This move unlocks your hips, but here's the secret. It also affects your spine, glutes, and even posture. I promise, your hips are the foundation of your posture, and this stretch can change how your entire upper body feels. Beginners, use pillows under the knees for support. Advanced stretches, sink hips lower and hold deeper external rotation. Did you know that frog stretch activates deep hip rotators? The same ones that lock up when you sit all day? Yeah, keep this one in your back pocket. 5 more seconds. Sink a little deeper. Can you feel the tension melt through your hips and lower back? Let's finish strong with one full body lengthener. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Hinge at the hips and let your arms hang. Bend your knees if needed. This stretch decompresses the spine and pulls tension out of the back of your legs. It also gives you a quiet moment to check in. I promise this stretch will leave you grounded and energized. Beginners, bend your knees generously. Advanced stretches, straighten the legs and clasp opposite elbows. Your hamstrings are connected to your posture more than you realize. Tight hamstrings equals a rounded spine. Here's a little challenge. Hold for 5 more seconds and breathe all the way into your lower back. Are your heels grounded yet? You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth and not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.